Good morning. Today is May 20th. We just left the Woods Hole Hostel.
Yum, 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 yum.
Susan absolutely loved the place. It was amazing. She really enjoyed it.
All vegan, home fresh, farm fresh food, supper and dinner, yum, 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 yum.
Yeah. So anyway, we're trying to be ambitious today. Supposed to get up to 92 degrees Fahrenheit.
I have a replacement pack on from the pack that I just got.
Yeah, we spent an extra half hour there getting her pack all set up and packed up, and it's been an adventure with Z-Pack.
Yes.
But anyway, we are back on the road. It's 9:30, again the 20th of May, and we're going to try and do 19 today, but
we have to 8. We got this.
Yeah, we'll see.
Bye.
Anyway, bye-bye.
Mountain. Cliff something Paris.
Paris Ledges.
This is Paris Ledges. It is May the 20th. And who are you, young man?
I'm the bear.
That's the bear eating bear food.
The bear eating Parmesan wisps.
The bear. Gotta get a good look at you, because you're going to be on our YouTube channel. There you go. With your permission, of course.
Yes, the bear was at the hostel with us.
Yes.
The bear was at the Woods Hole. Different meal today than we had this morning.
Yes, our meals get leaner and more processed as we get on trail. Okay, this is where we're at.
All right,
Yes,
to get to the water.
Hello, what's the word today, Tripper?
Good morning, May 21st, Saturday. Just pulling out of a stealth spot just off the side of a road.
Pocahontas Road.
Pocahontas Road. And we're just starting her up. Hitch it up.
Yes.
Of course, everything's an up.
Good night.
Hopefully it's going to be a good day. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, but we'll get as far as we can for today.
We camped with Platinum and Atlas last night. A couple of hikers. Had some fun, shared a glass of wine, lots of funnies. Got a decent hour. You know.
It was a pretty good night.
It was a pretty good night.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And there's Susan.
Lucy.
Sorry. There's Lucy. She's standing on the edge of the cliff.
No, it's not true.
She's very trusting.
It's only about 3 feet drop behind me.
And we got on a large mountain, big drop into the valleys.
First climb of the day.
Yeah, it's actually quite nice.
This is us on top of an unknown mountain. If we figure it out, we'll put it up write it up later. And this is the 360 view on this beautiful mountaintop. This is crazy. I want to show you the trail. There's Tripper. Hi, Tripper. Any shout outs? Any shout outs, Tripper, to family?
Oh, hi to Jonathan and Laura and Sean. And hello to my mom and Roger and Doris. Thank you, Doris, for doing all this work for us.
And Jerry.
And Jerry and
all your cities.
Sarah and Janie and Tanya and Sherry and
all the rest of the critters.
All the critters and family.
And Jean, Robert, Shirley, all that side of the family. Yeah. And we're kind of loosely hiking with Atlas and Platinum today. It's beautiful. It's hard to believe this is going to turn into rain. But it's the 21st. Here we are. It's awesome. Hiking for about 3 miles. And this is kind of like a field walk. You can see the terrain is not too bad. And then we're going to go all the way through there. If you can see the little path up there. And that's our day for the next probably half hour. Morning.
Morning.
It's May 22nd. We spent the night at Pine Swamp Branch Shelter. Yes, that's what it's called. And rained a little bit last night, but it looks like it's okay right now. We're in t-shirt and shorts, so we're now, it's kind of like summer here. We'll buy a rapid, which is kind of neat. We're hoping to go about 18 today to get to the next shelter. So we can do 18 today, 18 tomorrow, and 11 going into town Catawba to resupply. It's a lot. We're all
It's a lot.
good.
We're healthy.
We're healthy. Missing everybody, but
We still got lots of food.
lots of food, trust me. Lots of food.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Brief, how was she got her name Rona?
Yeah, so I was supposed to hike the CDT in 2020.
Right.
And instead of flying, I decided to drive to Montana. I'm from Florida. I stopped at a friend's house, a family friend from Oklahoma. And their neighbor had a litter of puppies. And, my friend had one of the puppies. And I was like, oh, let me see the other puppies. And they were all kind of gross and emaciated and not taken care of and really not well. So I said, well, I'll take one and I'll drop her off at a Humane Society in like Spokane, Washington on my way.
Sure.
And, at least get one out of the house or whatever. And I didn't make it to Montana. I got turned around. Something happened and I ended up keeping running. So
It's Rona.
One brown and one blue eye.
one brown, one blue
Oh
eye.
my goodness. Well, thank you.
She was the one that decided to climb into the car instead of the other ones. So
So what's your trail name?
fun guy.
Fun guy.
Yeah.
As in a fun.
As in fun.
G-U-I, not G-I.
Okay.
You can go both ways.
All right, we are currently at the top of Kelly's Knob, one of the three Virginia icons. As you can see, there's not a lot to see up here.
Not yet.
One hiker we were talking to described it as finding out that your girlfriend was cheating on you, because it was a huge, heavy hike all the way up, like very, very steep.
2,000 feet.
Up 2,000 feet, and then there's no view or anything. So if we get a view, I'll do another video.
Oh, and worst escalator ever.
Worst escalator. Somebody's got to pay the power bill to get that escalator working. All right, bye.
This is Kelly Knob View.
Oh, you're taking video.
Is it worth the hike up?
Absolutely.
Exactly. All right, you can take a picture if you want. And we're standing on lots of rocks. Lots of rocks. All right. Hello.
Good morning. Today is Monday, the 23rd. It is. We
Wet.
just came from, what was the name of that shelter? Laurel Creek Shelter.
It's wet.
And it was in the middle of rhododendron forest, and it was dark and dank
Damp and wet.
oh, it's just a horrible
Our
sleep
stuff
last
is
night.
wet.
So today promises to be
Wet.
a wet day. The sky is gray, and the forecast is for rain and lots of it all day long. So we're going to try and get 13 miles
Yep.
to another shelter
Yep.
and see what we do.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. This is a meadow walk in Virginia, and there's Lucy hiking down the trail backwards, so she's going to trip and fall and land on her butt. But it's gorgeous. As you can see, the clouds are very low. It's a drizzly rain right now. It's just amazing. It's nice to have the cloud cover when you're walking through meadows, though. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today's the 24th. We slept at a parking lot, basically. Rained all day yesterday. We were soaked. We had to put up our tent in a torrential downpour. Everything was soaked inside. It rained all night.
All night.
And it's still raining.
Yes.
We are soaked, cold, hungry, thirsty. It's all bad.
And the bee stung us.
And a bee stung us. We're actually still loving the trip.
Yeah. It's cold and wet.
And today's, what did I say, the 24th?
It's the 23rd.
23rd? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
And here we are at 700 miles. And Susan's going to do her 700-mile dance. And go. Dee 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 dee. Hey. Hello.
Hello. We're at the Dragon's Tooth.
This is the second iconic area of.
I'll give you some perspective.
So that's the Dragon's Tooth. And I don't think, in a sec, I can scan out just a little bit. There we go. That's the difference. Go stand in front of the other one.
Over here?
Yeah. So the last, yeah, look how tiny she is. The last iconic location is McAfee Knob, and we'll be hitting that probably tomorrow or the next day. Ciao. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wednesday, the 25th of May. We just got back on trail, went into Salem, Virginia to dry out.
Everything. We were soaked from 2 days of storms.
The room was just like an explosion with all our tent laying around and all the other
Sleeping
stuff.
bag and clothes, and had a great meal across the street. We stayed at the
Quality Inn.
Quality
Sorry, no,
Suites.
Comfort Inn.
Comfort Suites, and it was nice, reasonable. Breakfast was full, and you know what? It was a nice recoup. We kind of did it on the spur of the moment because we were soggy and sweaty and yucky.
Standing over a brook.
And we're going to see McAfee Knob today, but it's kind of spitting, so we're not sure what kind of a weather we're going to get, but we're doing 15.
McAfee Knob.
It's all good.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
This is the view from McAfee Knob. Clouds are starting to roll in. Look at this side. You can see down. We got a little window. Little window. The clouds open up just a touch. This is the view from Tinker Cliffs. And that's the back head of Atlas. He's looking at the deer. This is absolutely amazing. A phenomenal viewpoint.
Oh, oh well. That's a wee bit down in there.
See, not all the critters out here are dangerous. Some of them are kind of cute. Although I don't want to get too close because those hooves can get dangerous. And this is our campsite for tonight. Students is finishing off. We got a nice creek here. We don't normally take too much video of our campsites because we're too exhausted when we get here, but we have a little deer friend in the woods. Oh, there's another one.